Hi everyone, this is Deena here and get ready to be amazed by the features of the NITS Pulse 2 Max smartwatch. It's equipped with a dazzling 1.85-inch TFT LCD screen shining brightly with 550 nits and making everything super visible even in full sun. Forget about your phone. With this watch's Bluetooth call feature, chats are wrist easy, and with TrueSync tech, expect a faster, more stable connection that's light on battery use, goodbye delays, and constant charging. For the sleep lovers, activate Smart DND mode for peaceful nights. Fitness buffs, this is your wrist-worn coach, complete with Noise Health Suite to track your well-being and support you through over 100 sports modes. Bored of the same look? Choose from 150 plus cloud-based faces or use one of the 4 defaults to match every vibe and event. And with a solid 10-day battery life, the NITS Pulse 2 Max is your trusty sidekick for all adventures. In short, if you're all about staying plugged in, active, and in vogue, the NITS Pulse 2 Max smartwatch is calling your name. Get yours now.
Are you in the market for a smartwatch or fitness band but don't know where to start? In this buying guide, we'll go over the key features to consider when selecting the right smartwatch or fitness band for you. Size and style. First, consider the size and style of the device. Smartwatches are available in different sizes, while fitness bands are typically slimmer and more lightweight. Display. Next, consider the display. Smartwatches and fitness bands have different types of displays including OLED, AMOLED and LCD. OLED and AMOLED displays are typically brighter and more vivid, while LCD displays are more energy efficient. Fitness features. If you are interested in using your smartwatch or fitness band for fitness tracking, look for models with features such as heart rate monitoring, step tracking, GPS, and workout tracking. Smart features. Smartwatches offer a range of features beyond fitness tracking, including the ability to receive notifications, make phone calls, and control smart home devices. Battery life. Battery life is an important consideration for any wearable device. Smartwatches typically offer between 1 and 5 days of battery life, while fitness bands can last up to 2 weeks or longer. Compatibility. Make sure to choose a smartwatch or fitness band that is compatible with your smartphone's operating system. Most devices work with both iOS and Android, but some may only work with one or the other. By considering these key features, you can choose a smartwatch or fitness band that fits your lifestyle and meets your needs. Remember to compare models and read reviews before making your final decision.